Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete Roblox account permanently. Firstly, open any browser or mobile or desktop and go to roblox.com/support. Click login at the top right and enter your username and password. Fill out the form like name, username, and email address. Then from the what device are you having the problem on, drop down select computer, mobile device, tablet, or wherever you're using. Under type of health category, select data privacy requests. A second drop-down will appear. Choose right to be forgotten. In the description of issue box, type please delete my Roblox account and all associated data. You can also mention your requesting account deletion under your data privacy right. Now click submit or continue and Roblox will send a confirmation email asking you to verify your identity. This could include responding to the email or verifying your email or device. Account deletion takes up to 7 days to process. Your data and account info will be permanently removed. If you change your mind, you must act before the deletion is finalized. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.